Sands of Time, I think that was it. Yeah, I'm not 100% on that. Personally, I never played it. It did look fun, but I used to spend hours on Galactic Conquest. What the hell is that? Oh, do you mean? Oh, yeah, Star Wars Battlefront. The play, what is it? Playlist sort of thing. Yeah, I used to do deathmatch. I think that's what it was. I can't remember exactly. You know, you could either run around or get in vehicles. I was pretty good at the land vehicles. But yeah, everyone started getting really OP. Wait, the second Prince of Persia make me love heavy metal? Oh, that's awesome. Dragon's Dogma Dark Arisen has been confirmed for PC January 2017. Shit, gotta start watching what I'm doing. Holy crap. Looks really wanted this on PC way back. Had it on PS3, but it had a lot of technical issues. One screenshot and it looks great. Really? What is Dragon's Dogma? Can someone give me like a little rundown on what it is? Like, I've been hearing all this stuff about it. One of the streamers that I've had in my channel got the beta key for it, I think. I'm not sure if that's the actual game, and that's all they've been playing apparently. But I never played it too. I had PS for a year. Fair enough. It broke? Oh, that's not good. Like, I've been hearing a lot of hype about Dragon's Dogma, but never even heard about what it is. 2016. Okay. Oh, rip snakeheads. Oh crap. It's an open world RPG. It's very good. Okay, cool. We left my PS2 for like a year and then we bought it back out. The disc reader was coated with dust beyond saving. So sad. Ah, that's not good. Resident Evil 4 flashbacks. Is Dragon's Dogma online? So it's an open world RPG, kind of like The Witcher and stuff like that. Is it remastered, or is it the same as it was? It's a party-based action RPG with giant monsters you can climb on and hack parts off, etc. Big crafting system, fairly complex leveling with companions you upgrade. Ah. I broke the GTA San Andreas to disc twice. Holy crap. No, I can't make that. There are online aspects as in you use your friends, pawns, companions. Ah. That is fair enough. Cool. It's online but has a no co-op. What? Okay. and there's a lot of hype about it. And what, did it come out on PS3? There is a free-to-play version out in Japan that is online with 4-player co-op. It's coming west at some point. Yeah, that's the one I think someone had a beta key for. Apparently they were super hyped about it, which was pretty good because they've always wanted to play it like their whole life or something. Well, you can buy anyone's pawns but your friends are for free. Okay, that's pretty cool. It sounds very interesting, to be honest. Sounds quite interesting. Okay, yeah, let's go back. That's 72,000. I can get a couple of levels with that. I'd love to play the online version. I hope it goes worldwide. It most likely will. Most likely. Alright, I can put a third on it now. Oh, damn. Whoa. Tough decision. Yes, it was a PS3 game. They released an expansion that included the original game called Dark Arisen. That sounds very familiar. How many years ago did this game come out? Very familiar, that sounds.
What is it you desire? Very well. Let the echoes become your strength. Let me stand. Farewell, good hunter.
Zampi, is Mia a gamer? She dabbles in a bit of World of Warcraft and Sims 4. She's played other games like Diablo 3, couple of like Mortal Kombat 10, just like a little bit here and there of just other games, but she really enjoys World of Warcraft and Sims 4. She's got about, I don't know, something like 600 hours in Sims 4. I'll pretty much play any game, but I'm mainly for like one playthrough. I like to play through a game and then kind of enjoy the fact that I've beaten the game, but then I don't want to play too much of the game and get sick of it where I don't enjoy it, especially where other people can tell that I'm not enjoying it, if that makes sense. I had to look this up, but January 2012 Dragon's Dogma and April 2013 for Dark Arisen. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Ah. But yeah, she does dabble in games. Like, I would try any game, but probably once. Like, certain games I'll do multiple playthroughs. Like, she liked Guild Wars 2. She's very good at playing a enchanter, I think they're called. Not a mage, but an enchanter. Like, where they buff weapons and I don't know. They do like they have magic skills, but I don't know. They're different to what I've played. I'm kind of a one playthrough guy, unless it's like an full-on RPG online kind of game. Like if it was say Destiny, I could probably play that for a very, very, very long time, and I'm talking like every day. But would you do a no death run stream on Dark Souls 2 or 1 if it's backwards compatible magic skills for weapons? Probably not the horse of gaming. I don't know if I could mentally withstand that challenge. To me, just doing a playthrough alone was challenging enough for me. Considering I've killed every boss in both the Dark Souls games, even through the DLCs, honestly, I probably wouldn't. The only thing I'd do in those games now would probably be PvP. I probably wouldn't even do New Game Plus. I would if I was to do achievements, like to hunt achievements, but that could probably be it. I'm hoping to get Guild Wars 2 today. Actually, it's a game I've been looking at for a while. Yeah, you probably will enjoy Guild Wars 2. A lot of people do. You two, except for Dark Souls 1 DLC, dude, you gotta do it, man. I had a lot of fun doing the DLC. That's what I done. Oh yeah? Yeah, the DLC for Dark Souls 1 is really good, even though I can barely remember it. I think Manus, sorry, is one of the DLC bosses. I can't remember. And the Four Kings or something. You broke? Ah, bugger. Never mind, man. He is? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I found that game quite exhilarating. Four Kings is not. Okay. It was probably one of my most favoritist PC games ever, and I don't want to get sick of it, so the only thing I'd probably do in that game would be PvP. But yeah, like in Bloodborne, but I'm stuck on them in New Game 6 / New Game 7. Holy crap. Yeah, I don't think I could play a game through so many playthroughs like that. Holy crap. Even though it kind of sounds like a cop-out, I don't know. I just couldn't handle it, probably. I would probably lose my mind. Like, that game it's something, you know. It's completely different to everything I've played before. It's also a lot different to other games. Like, I never even knew Dark Souls existed, and that it actually played out like that. I had no idea. I think you can get Dark Souls, the first one, on Android and iPhones.